In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory default or reset your security camera recorder. First, I'm going to right-click, click Main Menu. I'm going to log into the admin user using the graphical password, which is a backwards C pattern. To get to the default settings, I'm going to click the Maintain submenu. Inside of Maintain, there is a Manager tab. And here you can see there is a Default tab. Now there are two types of defaults. There is a factory default and a regular settings default. Regardless of which one you click, you will be asked to confirm if you want to restore the default settings or if you want to perform a factory default. Each one of these defaults will end up a regular default will default mostly all of your settings except for the network IP address settings, the admin user password, and a few other critical system settings like recovery email and recovery questions. A factory default will completely erase all of those settings and also require reinitialization after you've factory defaulted the recorder. And again, after clicking the button, you will be required to confirm that you want to move forward with a factory default. If I were to click the OK button here, my recorder will shut down and reboot up to a initialization screen. If I did this regular default, my recorder is not going to reset, however it will default all of my settings. Hopefully this video helps you reset your security camera recorder. Thank you for watching.